AI broke assessment as we know it. An essay used to prove a mind was behind it, and now it proves nothing. And AI detectors are like snake oil that falsely accuse honest students. Attest doesn't just detect AI, it verifies the understanding behind it. Same essay, same history. The left one was written with hundreds of keystrokes over the course of 3 minutes. The right one arrived in a single page, 60% of which arrived in one moment. You can clearly see the difference before anyone can even explain. But this process is gameable. You could retype an AI essay. So capture isn't the product. It just tells the examiner where to look. I'll paste an essay I didn't write and defend it. GPT 5.6 read the essay and how it was written and found the claim I'm at least able to defend. Now it runs a live voice defense over the WebRTC.
So, if leaves look green because they reflect green light, which wavelengths are they actually capturing for photosynthesis?
Because plants use sunlight to grow, so it's basically their food.
Okay, but I'm going to push a little bit. When you say sunlight is their food, what's happening at the leaf level? Why does it help them grow? Also, if the food is sunlight, where does most of the plant's mass come from? Because it's not all sunlight, right?
Sunlight isn't the food, it's the energy. The food is glucose. The plant builds it from CO2 and water, and light just powers the reaction. And that green thing is backwards. Chlorophyll absorbs red and blue light and reflects green. So green is the light the plant doesn't use, not the light it captures. As you saw, it doesn't just argues, it shows what held up and where it had stopped examining and start teaching. Then it re-asked until I could defend it. Assessment and instruction in one act. So the second half of the project is for teachers. Point any assignment at a test and click redesign on it. So what Attest does is it uses GPT 5.6 and redesigns the assignment so that the AI can't pass through it. And also it adds some defense rubrics the students has to pass through in order to defend their work.